Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change aspect ratio in Capcut PC. Now I've opened up my Capcut. I believe you all know how to launch your Capcut. Maybe if you installed it you should be able to launch it. Then the next thing I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to change the aspect ratio of your video. So the first thing we need to do is import a video. Let us say we want to use a video, so you choose a video you want to import. Let's look for a simple video. So we have one over here. Let's use this one. So click on open, just selecting it. So this is the video. Next I'm going to pull it to this place, the timeline. Now the aspect ratios, we have different forms of it. We have the custom aspect ratio. If you need a specific aspect ratio that isn't listed in the preset, you can create a custom one by manually entering the dimensions. We also have options like fill. I'm going to it today. Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change aspect ratio in Capcut PC. First thing, you just open up your Capcut, that is launch the Capcut application on your computer. Then you click on the import button, what I did, and select the video you want to edit. Now we are here, we want to edit it. Now in this timeline we put the video to display. That's what we did here. Now in the timeline we right click on the video and click on edit, so you can see. Once you do that, you can see aspect ratio here, which is the crop ratio. Then you have the free one. Free one is where you can choose to customize it the way you want. If you click on it, you can now see others like 1:1, 2:4, 4:3, and 9:16. So these are there they are. So if you click on 1:1, this is the aspect ratio. You choose this. This is how it will look. You can see. And then the last one, so it's as simple as that. Now once you've adjusted the video within the new aspect ratio you want, then you can place the video to see how it looks with the new aspect ratio. Let's say I want to use this one, so click on confirm. Once I'm true, you can also rotate. That's the rotation of the, you can rotate the picture. You can see rotating the picture. Let's say I want to watch it upside down like this for whatever reason. Then click on confirm. So now when I play the video, this is how it will look upside down. A few seconds to create a project, as you can see. So that's it. So if you are satisfied with the changes, you click on export to save your video with the new aspect ratio. Now don't forget, we have the custom aspect ratio, which is where you can put in the one you want yourself. You can also get there using this button, that's the resize button over there. So you can put in the one you can decide to do the way you want by clicking on this free, which is the custom aspect ratio. Then you can try to pull and pull it the way you want. As you can see, this is the custom aspect ratio. They also have fill and fit, that's help you to adjust to fill the space. It's already, we have that already. Then you can reset everything back to normal by clicking on reset over here. You can also customize the background color or image to fill empty spaces after changing the aspect ratio if you want. So by following these steps, you can easily change the aspect ratio of your videos in Capcut to suit different platforms and requirements. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.